Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Just Eat account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Just Eat app. And once your Just Eat app is opened up, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply press on the settings option, and from here choose the delete your account option. So once you do this, press on the delete your account, and after you press on it, it will take some time. Once the process is completely over, you will receive a note called that your account has been deleted, like this one, and this is how you simply delete your Just Eat account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.